All I know is I just need her. All I know is you just need her. All I know is we just need her. All I know is you just need her.
Big dog and some leather. Big dog leather. Army Man Wars. No diggity, no doubt. It's time for your induction. Big dog leather. Team Tears, huh? Lieutenant Commander Bonejar says it's time to induct you using some imitation dog, all wet because it's been raining, and imitation leather. It's really vinyl, but I'm gonna have to improvise. Oh, yeah. Team Tears, huh? Native Tears made this here striker for me, so you know what that means. It's fire it up time. Army Man Wars. No diggity, no doubt. Time for your induction. Big dog. Leather. Big dog. Leather. Army Man. Strike a fire. Can you smell the fear? Big dog leather. Join Team Tears, huh? Join this. Oh, it's a slow-going process. There she goes. Around the leather she goes. I know you smell the fear coming after you. Uh-oh. It took too long to do this. Yeah. Oh, yeah. The night the lights went out in Georgia. Can't see you. There you are. Oh, yeah. Big dog leather. Nighty-night, big dog leather. See you on the battlegrounds. Oh. I ain't through yet. Oh, oh, oh no! Fire stop. Doing Army Man Wars, you always got to keep a can of Tundra around. Hold on. Seriously. in case of danger.
Gary, look.
Dadgummit. Tundra! It stops fires fast. Dadgummit. I was in a safety squad there for a while, so first time use of this. Oh, there's another fire.
Don't you dare.
I ain't gonna do it. Alright, let me put you out. That's some good stuff there. Tundra. Extinguishing fires. It didn't extinguish you, though. I was too late on the draw. So never mix Army men, fire, leather, and dogs, and PVC. Oh my goodness. Glue together. No diggity, no doubt. Dadgummit. I'm done. These are all the failures and things that I go through, but I'm keeping this as original. I go through punishment, pain, and I get my butt chewed out by my wife all the time because I be setting the porch on fire.